Green. Bathed in fine layer of white parting powder is evenly applied.
Tilt angle. The flow rate is precise.
Confirmed. The cavity is filling exactly as modeled.
Green. Bathed in the golden light of sunrise, the journey begins. This ultra-fine silica is crucial for
Moisture levels look stable at 2.8%.
Good, the mixture is uniform.
the molding sand blends inside the giant sand muller until every silica grain is perfectly coated, creating premium molding sand for casting this FIFA World Cup trophy.
The laser scan confirms the shrinkage allowance is perfectly within tolerance.
The surface finish on the base looks flawless.
The 5-axis machine ensures unparalleled precision, crucial for the intricate details of the FIFA World Cup trophy. Engineers utilize advanced 3D laser scanners, comparing the physical model with the original CAD design to ensure microscopic tolerances are met. Alignment confirmed on Z-axis.
X and Y are within tolerance.
Clamps engaged. Alignment is confirmed at micron-level accuracy. The hydraulic locks are fully engaged. We are ready for the next phase.
Alignment looks good.
Confirmed. Proceed with clamping.
A fine layer of white parting powder is evenly applied, preventing the molding sand from sticking. The automated system ensures
All measurements verified. We are good to proceed.
Confirmed. Initiating sand fill sequence.
green sand mixture is crucial, ensuring every detail of the FIFA trophy is captured flawlessly by the automated systems.
The pressure consistency is holding steady at 98 megapascals. Good, the compaction looks uniform across the drag.
The precision strike-off bar ensures a perfectly flat surface, critical for the Copa Mundial casting.
Turn is complete. Flawless execution. Excellent. Let's prep for the next cycle.
The laser alignment shows perfect concentricity on the base.
And the profile scan confirms the undercut stability. We are ready for the pour. Alignment confirmed. All systems show green across the board.
Excellent, the pattern is perfectly seated. We are clear for the next stage.
As the Cope reaches the molding flask, hardened steel alignment pins slide precisely into matching guide holes.
Scan complete. Alignment is flawless.
Confirmed, we are clear for casting.
Check the Z-axis stabilization.
Flawless entry. We have perfect alignment across all points.
Check the thermal readings on the holo display.
Stable, we are maintaining perfect uniformity.
By utilizing hydraulic guides and laser sensors, the robot achieves the perfect vent pattern, as you can see confirmed on the monitors here. Look at the pressure differential on the riser. Stable. We are clear for the next cycle. Alignment holding steady at 0.01 millimeters.
Confirmed. Proceed to next stage.
Laser scan complete. All parameters nominal. Confirmed. The surface finish is perfect. We are ready for the next stage.
We have full separation. All parameters are within tolerance.
Excellent. The mold looks pristine.
The precision on the figures is flawless.
I agree. The system is showing full green indicators across the board. We are good to proceed.
The extraction looks good. No disturbance to the mold. Pressure is stable. We have full separation. The laser scan confirms the geometry is within tolerance. Look at the detail on the figures. Absolutely flawless.
The cores move into the high-temperature oven for maximum strength.
Temperatures are holding steady at 200 degrees Celsius.
Alignment checks complete on section C. Everything is within tolerance.
Confirmed. The fit is perfect. We are good for the next stage.
The flow rate is holding steady at 99.8%.
Perfect. The channels are flawless.
The laser scan confirms the dimensions are perfect.
Yes, the overflow channels look clean. The runner system is ready for casting. All parameters are within tolerance. Inspection phase complete, ready for casting.
Using precision instruments, the mold is repaired and scanned by laser. A uniform refractory coating is then applied.
The precision-machined cope is carefully lowered back onto the drag, forming the final sand mold assembly.
Clamping pressure optimal.
Green light confirmed. Ready for pour.
Check the alignment. Positioning is confirmed.
Green light for transfer to the pouring station.
Maintaining the tilt angle. The flow rate is precise.
Confirmed. The cavity is filling exactly as modeled.
Cooling data is stable across all zones. Confirmed. The solidification phase is proceeding nominally.
The internal temperature is stabilizing right on the curve.
Good. The cooling rate is consistent with the bronze alloy specifications.
The intense vibrations separate the sand, revealing the trophy.
The result is flawless, right on tolerance.
Look at the separation rate on the bronze fragments.
It's exceeding projections. The sand quality is pristine for the next run. After screening and high-capacity cooling, moisture and quality sensors monitor every batch. The approved reusable sand is then directed back